So a couple of years ago, I got a gift, and it was called a Buddha board, I think, and it basically was a little surface that you could paint on with water, and then it would fade away. So you could just kind of paint and repaint. And I was thinking that we could kind of create our own version of this at home. So what I have right now are just a couple of rocks that I picked up. The bigger the rock, the more space you have to draw. But I noticed that when I add just a little water to a surface like this, I get kind of the same reaction. So I've just got a little paintbrush and water today. It's low supplies here. Rock, some really thin paintbrush. I think the thinner when I have such a small canvas to work on, the more I can do here. And then of course I have the same kind of effect. It's going to slowly disappear. So we'll kind of play around with this idea. Kind of creating little images on a Buddha board. It's my own version. I'm thinking that it might even work on my piece of cardboard. Of course, this one would take a little bit, maybe longer to reset. This is saying the cardboard kind of dries out faster than the rocks do. So another idea, just experimenting with some different materials, playing around with what you have in your house. If you just have access to water and a paintbrush, maybe a piece of cardboard, maybe you have a rock or two outside. You can see that one's drying a little quicker. The cardboard's actually drying quicker than the rocks did. And that was my tree, and there's my face. Kind of neat, short and sweet, but something you could experiment with today.